Okay, welcome to another session. Seeing how a lot of the students or you guys have been asking for the third module to be done through the YouTube, here I go, right? I'm on the course website, and course website, I'll go down to module 3, which is the Excel. So I'm only doing the Excel portion, I'm not doing the rich pictures exercise. So if I click in here, module 3 workshop exercise here. And you notice here we've been given the instruction file, which is a PDF, part 2 version 3 PDF, and that contains all the instructions on what we have to do to modify these particular spreadsheets along the way to finish this module's required activities. What I'm going to do though is I'm only downloading the PDF for reference, and I'm skipping basically all of these files, and I'll only be using version 2, like number 2, and I'll use this particular spreadsheet all the way through this module. So it's up to you if you want to download all of the files, but I'll only be using number 2, and I'll be using that right through the whole exercise. So take a little bit of time, just download it, put it into your particular folder, and get ready to open it and get ready to do the exercises.